Hello, my dear aspirants. Welcome to my chemistry class. So, I am your chemistry competitive exam tutor. So, in this platform, I will teach you how to prepare for chemistry competitive exams. So, through this platform, generally I will teach classes in only in English. So, my non-Hindi friends, especially from South India, they can understand very easily. So while I'm watching some other videos, some other YouTube channels, the main request from these students are teaching English. So that's why I started this platform to teach specifically only in English. So through this platform, I will teach for how to prepare for chemistry competitive exams for different areas, generally for whether in the case of higher education or some exams, maybe do for some jobs. So I will cover all these exams, how to prepare, and I will teach you how to take notes and how to prepare, what are the major sources, etc. and etc. So welcome to my class. I'm Dr. Saumya. I completed my MSc in chemistry and I completed my PhD in chemistry. So I'm working as an assistant professor in a well-reputed college and I qualified UGC NET in 2011 December with All India rank 21, followed by then the next June I qualified CSAR JRF with All India rank 52. So let's get started. As I mentioned, in the first session, I'll discuss about some of the competitive exams in chemistry. So I have prepared a list of competitive exams in chemistry. So let's get started. And here, the list of exams can be divided for various aspirants, basis of what are the education qualification of based on the qualification of students. Some of them have completed plus two and some of them might completed their UG, then some of them completed their PG, even their PhD. So I prepared a list for all these students generally. First, we will discuss some of the competitive exams, especially for undergraduate students, that is their BSc level. So these students may completed their plus two and they are searching for some higher educations. They are pursue their higher education in some well reputed institutions. So for the first exam for undergraduate students are ICER aptitude test. So all of you know what is ICER or how many ICERs are there in our country, etc. So ICER means Indian Institute of Scientific and Engineering Research. So generally there are several ICERs throughout in our country. For example, Berhampur, Bhopal, Kolkata, Mohali, Pune, Trivandrum, Tirupati. These are some of the ICERs which have been situated in India. So in this ICER, they are conducting some aptitude test for their BS, MS dual degree programs. So this exam includes chemistry, physics, maths and biology. So first important test is ICER aptitude test. And then next exam is KVPY. Kishore Vaigyanik Protsahan Yojana. But now this program has been merged with the Inspire She. So Inspire is a program under DST. So they provided some auspicious fellowship for higher education. So in this She program, they have providing scholarship for higher education. She means scholarship for higher education. So the students can appear this exam. If they qualified, they can pursue their higher education with a scholarship in all the state and the central universities. So this is meant to encourage research careers based on the aptitude test including chemistry. So here the aptitude test is based on some knowledge in science, especially in chemistry. So students may be going for higher education in chemistry. They have to write questions for plus two level chemistry. Then CUET UG program. So here also they have to write a common university entrance test for their higher education UG programs for central universities like BHU, Delhi University, etc. So here chemistry is an optional paper if they are doing their chemistry bachelor's degree. So they have to appear for chemistry. The next kind of exam is for postgraduate students, that is their MSc level. So first in this class, the first test is GATE exam. So GATE exam is graduate aptitude test for engineering. So by writing this GATE chemistry exam, they can pursue their MTech degree, their PhD in various institutions like IAC, then IITs, NITs, CSIR labs, etc. And also, most importantly, GATE exam is very, very important for jobs in some PSUs like petroleum industries, ONGC, IUCL, etc. can pursue or they can recruit uh, their engineers or their technicians by this GATE score. So the next exam in this category is CSIR UGC NET in chemical sciences. The test is conducting in chemical sciences. See, in this test, they need to appear for chemistry exam, solely chemistry exam, and some additional aptitude questions are also there for lectureship and junior research fellowship. If they got their lectureship, they can teach in college level, collegiate level. If they got JRF, they can pursue their PhD with the fellowship. These examinations are conducting twice in a year, and if by conducting this exam, this research can be promoted. Then next exam is IIT JAM test. So IIT JAM is joint admission test for masters especially. So this is only for the students, they have completed their UG program. If they want to pursue their MSc or integrated PhD in IITs and ISC, they need to write IIT JAM examination. Here it contains a chemistry paper which includes organic, inorganic, physical questions from these three areas generally. And the next in this list is Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, TIFR Graduate School Program, GS, TIFR GS program. This exam is also for PhD programs in chemical science, and this exam is also focused on research. This is also aimed to promote the research in our country. And then next, fifth one is JEST exam, Joint Entrance Screening Test for Chemical Science. This is for doing their PhD in NICER, NISER, IOP, etc. This is for integrated PhD and also as well as PhD. Then finally, CUET PG program, and in CUET PG, this is for central university, PG admission for central universities like our IIT JAM exam. IIT JAM is for PG programs in uh, IIT, NIT. So here for various central universities like Central University Kashmir, Central University of Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, etc. and etc. So here they have to write for some chemistry question paper. So it contains almost 100 questions like that. So these are the some of the exams for PG level. After discussing exams for UG and PG level, now I'll discuss about some fellowships only, that some of the exams only for research fellowships and PhD admissions. So in this category, the first kind of examination is Inspire Fellowship Test. So here in this test is conducted by DST. So this is for students in top 1% of 12th board or top 10,000 in JEE, NET and KVPY examination. So here in this fellowship is for inculcating or encouraging research in basic science. So the first test is or examination is Inspire Fellowship Test. Then the second one is DBT JRF, ICMR JRF, DRDO JRF, and BARC OCES. These are the various JRF programs by various institutes or various departments, that is Department of Biotechnology, Indian Council of Medical Research, DRDO, BARC, etc. So here various departmental research fellowships. They require chemistry knowledge, so they need to conduct, they are conducting some test to recruit their researchers. The next one is DAE BARC chemistry exam. So this is for uh, BARC, Baba Atomic Research Center. They are conducting this exam for research and technical roles in nuclear chemistry, radiochemistry, etc. So in this list, this DAE, Department of Atomic Energy BARC chemistry exam is highly prestigious one, and it possesses high amount of that fellowship. Till now, I have discussed some chemistry examinations for UG level, PG level, and then only for research. So now I'm going to discuss about job-oriented chemistry exams. Here in this list, first one is public sector undertakings recruitment through GATE exam. So I already mentioned that GATE exam is very, very important. So in this, by this exam, they can recruit their employees for ONGC, IOCL, BPCL, etc. Then the second kind of exam is SSC, Staff Selection Commission, Scientific Assistant Exam, CGL, etc. Here, additionally, in addition to chemistry questions, they have some general science, GK, aptitude kind of questions. Then state and central lab chemist recruitment, for example KPSC, Kerala PSC, TNPSC, etc. conduct exams for lab assistant and chemist roles. So in this exams also, for this exam also, we need to acquire some chemistry knowledge. Then some other central or state PSC, UPSC and PSC is conducting food safety officer exam, forensic exam, then drug inspector exams. Here chemistry is a core part. So knowing chemistry is very, very important for these kind of jobs also. So nowadays these jobs are attracting vast wide range of students from different areas. So without borders, without restrictions, they can apply different positions in different regions. So this is very, very important. Then the last in this list is international exams with a chemistry component. So students with a chemistry background also can appear or they can pursue their PG, UG program in foreign countries by writing GRE chemistry subject test. So this is for MS, PhD admissions in the US, and it covers organic, inorganic, and a physical chemistry question. So generally this GRA is very, very prestigious exam for pursuing. Here GRA means graduate record examination. It's a standard test widely used for admissions in foreign countries. Then the second in this list is TOEFL or IELTS plus chemistry. Here for pursuing chemistry, they need to qualify this TOEFL and IELTS with chemistry component for required for international admissions with the chemistry programs. So with this, I'll conclude this first session. If you have any doubt in this session regarding what are the types of examinations that a student with a chemistry background can appear, you can comment, you can mention in the comment section. I will answer all of your doubts in comments. So thank you all for listening my video. We'll meet in another session. Thank you.